So, good morning, all. Now we reach the last portion of the module 4, that is poultry. So, it is a very small part of this module. In this poultry, it's include the nutritive value and the preservation. So, the term poultry is applied to all domesticated birds on food and includes chickens, ducks, geese, turkeys, and pigeons. Of this, chicken and turkey are most commonly used for their meat. Now, the nutritive value of poultry. So they are high protein content of 25%. It contains all the essential amino acids required for building body tissues. Chicken fat is more unsaturated than the fat in red meat. So that's why it is highly we recommended for the fat restricted diet. So it is a good source of B vitamins and minerals. Dark meat of chicken is rich in riboflavin than the light meat. Its high protein or fat ratio, it is advantageous to persons who must restrict the intake of fats. Now, the preservation of poultry include canning, dehydration, chilling, and freezing. So, now first is canning. Uh, we studied the principles of canning in the last chapter. So, the principles are same for any type of food. The difference is only the medium they filled. So here the poultry meat is cooked and filled in the can along with the gravy. Double steaming is done in a vacuum chamber. It is transferred to heat sterilized cans at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Again, it's double steamed and sterilized by cooking in steam under 14 lbs pressure at 121 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Next is dehydration. So here meat is cut into pieces and cooked in steam for 30 minutes at 10 lbs pressure. So cooked meat is then passed through meat chopper and the chopped meat is dried in a continuous dryer. So the incoming air temperature is 65 to 71.1 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. And here the dried meat is then compressed and packed in the cans. Next is chilling. So this poultry meat can be chilled with cold air or by direct contact with ice or ice water and held at 3 degrees Celsius. It keeps well for about 9 days. The closer the temperature to freezing, the longer the poultry can be stored. So this is the last preservation method of poultry. It is freezing. So here the poultry meat are prepared for commercial freezing after eviscerating and washing. Eviscerating means just the removal of a gut, and after washing, each chicken is wrapped in a moisture proof film and it's cooked frozen. The dressed poultry is packed and frozen at 4.4 degrees Celsius, and it held at a 12.2 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. And storage temperature here is maintained at minus 17.7 degrees Celsius for poultry to retard oxidation and the resultant rancidity of the fat. So here we are keeping this temperature is mainly to prevent or to retard the oxidation process on the meat. The frozen poultry then can be kept for about 6 months in good condition. So that's all about the poultry.